Pepe has been one of the question marks right now in the crypto market that everybody wants to know. Where's Pepe headed? Okay, so in this video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Ethereum. I want to give way into the conversation that Pepe is closely linked to Ethereum, as well as we're going to dive into the chart. Hopefully, this article will leave you feeling bullish, give you guys my insight and analysis within this article that we're going to break down. If you are a Pepe Coin holder, make sure you watch this video to the end. Also, be sure to like, comment, and leave me a comment down below. I enjoy reading your guys' comments, and let's talk some Pepe. Before we get further into it, I do want to talk about today's channel sponsor. This is exciting if you are a Pepe holder because CoinW, one of the top exchanges out there, if you're looking to get into the crypto market, trade spot and futures, CoinW provides that for you guys, as well as a couple perks that you have if you use my link down below. First and foremost, there is a Pepe airdrop that you get for registering, following the instructions, and then that will be airdropped to your account. Also, a private trading community within Telegram. You follow 4 steps, verify your account, and then you get short-term, long-term, and swing trade analysis, longs and shorts, right there from professional traders with CoinW. Using my link down below, just before you do anything, make sure you run it through your due diligence, make sure it's right for you and where you're located, and obviously get started trading today. Links down below if that checks all the boxes. Be sure to read their terms and conditions as well. All right, so this is where we're at. All right, this is where we're at as we look at the charts. We're trading at 401555. All right, so it's been one day where we're down into the red. 14.1% down last 7 days and 16.7 over the last 30 has left a lot of traders asking, is Pepe still Pepe? Okay. The answer to that question, in my personal opinion, and not financial advice, is simply put, yes, it is. Okay, nothing really has changed within how I feel about Pepe. I still hold a significant amount of Pepe. The only difference is the Trump token has taken meme coins, altcoins, and pretty much everything except Bitcoin for a ride. All right, it's taken a lot of that liquidity, a lot of that capital, and it's reshuffling it a little bit as we're getting through this craze that's ongoing right now in present day. Now, as we look into the trading view real quickly, you can see right now on my indicator, we are looking at the EMAs kind of crossing over right now, and that's a bullish sign. Momentum up did flash back on the 21st of January, and that's kind of where we're kind of looking at this as potentially being the bottom for Pepe. This blue line right now, we can move down, and that would be my absolute floor. Pepe, in my opinion, will bounce off of that 155 level, and then that's kind of where we look at Pepe in that next leg up, where we look to get back above 402 and potentially up here around this level where we have since retreated from back there on January 18th, okay? That's kind of where I stand in terms of the analysis of the price, but the big reason why we wanted to talk Pepe right now is Vitalik buys into Pepe. Is this enough to reach $1? Now, full disclosure, let's just be real, okay? Let's kind of, this isn't FUD. This is not any time to FUD Pepe, but it's something where we have to just kind of be realistic with ourselves. This is the title of the article from the Coin Republic, okay? $1 Pepe, not possible, okay? That's just something where you have to look at the tokenomics and just kind of the realization that this is just keeping it 100. It's not a possibility, okay? Unless we get some significant, crazy, elimination of all other meme coins and it just completely flips into Pepe only, I just don't see a way that we hit $1. However, taking out a 0.2 is something that I could see happening eventually. Now, the talk with Ethereum and Vitalik is relevant because of how closely Pepe trades with ERC20 tokens. And what we've seen right now is the co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, has bought a significant amount of Pepe, 508.6 million to be exact. Now, this is something where a lot of people are speculating that Pepe will be soon to experience a rise. Now, what is the influence that he does have? Okay. This is something where Vitalik, we all know, kind of shaking a little bit in terms of Ethereum as Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs and Ethereum is still down, trading around 3,400, which is still good, but it's still nothing where it's relevant and scaled to the likes of other cryptos out there. Now, as we look at Donald Trump taking office for the second time and the shift, now we know the kind of the oxymoron, if you will, is that President Trump is shuffling World Liberty Financial and a lot of other assets that are closely linked to the Trump family. They're buying a ton of Ethereum. However, if we look at kind of Ethereum, it's a Canadian-based company, kind of leaves a question mark. What is going to happen because the United States in their crypto reserve, why are they buying so much ETH versus Bitcoin and other entities, okay? And that's kind of the big question mark. Why is he doing that? Okay. Forgive me, the dogs are barking in the background, but that's okay. We'll get through this article. Now, Vitalik right now, and the influence on the Pepe price, that's something where you look into kind of the 10,500 that he purchased. That's relatively small for the scale of Vitalik.eth if you want to kind of get into that narrative. However, this is a sign of confidence within the asset. Why is he buying Pepe right now? Okay. That's kind of where we look at it. Some of the outlook of it, you could see two possibilities for the future of Pepe's price. There's a lot of bearish pressure right now at 39 within the RSI. It's not broken out of the lower side of that 50 neutral range, but the MACD gives a significant different outlook as it's below the signal line, which indicates that traders are cautious in fact, okay? So these are a couple bearish indicators for Pepe. However, if we look at the charts right now, we can see kind of this consolidation that we're having. This is something that gives me rise as these EMAs cross over, and momentum up did flash on my trading indicator. Is Pepe set for a breakout? We'll see what happens. Nobody has that crystal ball in crypto, so we're kind of just in a wait-and-see approach with the rest of the market. Okay. Also, this is something where as we get a quick rebound, Pepe would hit the 4020 line, and that's something that would be much a question mark. Where would go from there? But this is kind of where you have to take it for what it's worth. Over the last year, Pepe has skyrocketed over 1,200%, and that's kind of as meme coins have been on the rise in the crypto space. We've seen kind of like I talked about, the Trump token has taken a lot of the steam away from Pepe and other memes out there. It's unprecedented. We've never seen it within the crypto market. So let's just look at it as a huge significant event, but I think at one point everything's going to go back to normalcy, and that's kind of where Pepe will be able to experience kind of the trajectory that they were on just about a month or two ago. Okay, so that's kind of where we're looking at. That is kind of my purpose of making this video. I wanted to share with you guys Vitalik has bought Pepe. Whenever a head of Ethereum does buy Pepe, we need to take notice. So keep that in mind. I don't think this is something where we need to pound the alarm and say, oh my gosh, Trump token's out and Pepe's going to zero. It's not how I feel about it. I still hold a significant amount of Pepe. Super bullish on that crypto in terms of a meme coin. Pepe, Doge, SHIB, all of the ones at the top. I do think that they do have an avenue to get back to some crazy, crazy levels. But we need to celebrate the fact that Pepe did hit all-time highs. Okay? Take it for what it's worth. It's been a wild ride. Best thing we can do is stay vigilant with the news, keep trading, and keep our heads up because 2025 is setting up to be a very bullish year for crypto. I don't have that crystal ball. I can't tell you guys where Pepe's headed exactly. I can tell you one thing. It's not headed to $1, so please disregard that title. Also, I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, so make sure you do what's best for you in your crypto and financial journey along the way. All right, so with that, I'll leave you. Make sure you come back here for your Pepe news today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, give me a follow on X at TCryptoMark. Links in the bottom left of your screen if you want to find my handle for X. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.